Bush. It's free ball. Bush.
30.
What a nice hit by jersey number 27.
By Chico. Sinusi ka siya daw. Ang igawas na mananaog ang Team Mingming. Dagang salamat, Team Jesus. Asan ang Team
Lakas.
Team Ganto Boy.
Malakas yung bating guys, pumalo.
So I just reminded you, the next game will be
O, ako yan lang sa ibibig.
Ganga Watch.
Pusatan!
Away. Second game na rin dito guys.
Dagang salamat, Team Jesus. Hanggang sa muli. Marami pang duwa natin. Ay, baliw ko tapos sa Team Jesus kay picture na daw. Ayaw mo ka malaka, di ra ka mo. Hapit na sa adbe.
Still on deck to serve by the Victor.
Grabe yung boy. Yung boy. Ano tulog to?
Ah. Toyok.
Now still serving jersey number 2. I think jersey number 2.
Oh.
It's inside. Oh, bela na diri kay di na kapatid na kapupo si Alec Girl. Bisag was pa otes. The point is in the outsiders because the server did not hear very well. So automatically the point will be the opposing team. Papa, mula.
Sayang hindi pumasok. Lakas ah.